Once upon a time, in the cozy little village where Lila lived, she and her magical dog Fluffly had an exciting idea. They wanted to put on a spectacular show for all their friends. But not just any show. They wanted to create a sensational storybook theatre based on their favourite book about the planets. "Lila, let's make this the most amazing show ever," Fluffly barked with excitement, his tail wagging furiously. Lila nodded enthusiastically. "Yeah, Fluffly, we'll need costumes, sets, and lots of practice to make it perfect." And so the adventure began. Lila and Fluffly gathered their friends, Tommy the squirrel, Bella the bunny, and Sammy the raccoon, to help with the preparations. "All right, everyone, we've got a lot of work to do," Lila declared as they huddled together to brainstorm ideas. First, they needed costumes to dress up as the different planets. "I'll be the sun, shining bright and warm," Lila exclaimed, holding up a golden yellow costume. "I want to be Jupiter, the biggest and coolest planet of them all," Tommy chirped, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Bella giggled. "I'll be Venus, the planet of love and beauty, just like me." Sammy rubbed his paws together eagerly. "And I'll be Mars, the red planet. I'm ready for some intergalactic adventure." With costumes sorted, they moved on to designing the sets. "We'll need a sparkly backdrop for the stars and planets to twinkle against," Lila mused, sketching out her ideas on a piece of paper. "And don't forget about the spaceship for our grand finale," Fluffly added, drawing a picture of a shiny rocket soaring through the sky. As they worked tirelessly to bring their vision to life, they faced challenges along the way. Bella accidentally spilled paint on her costume, turning it a vibrant shade of pink. "Oops, looks like I'm a pink Venus now," she giggled, twirling around in her pink tutu. Tommy struggled to memorize his lines, mixing up the names of the planets. "I'm not Jupiter, I'm juicy fruit," he muttered, scratching his head in confusion. But with patience and perseverance, they overcame each obstacle, turning their mishaps into moments of hilarity and laughter. Finally, the big day arrived. The stage was set, the costumes were on, and the audience, their friends and family, eagerly awaited the show. As the curtains rose, Lila and her friends stepped into the spotlight, ready to transport everyone on a journey through the cosmos. They sang, they danced, and they brought the story of the planets to life in the most spectacular way imaginable. And as the final curtain fell, the audience erupted into applause, cheering and clapping for their stellar performance. "Wow, that was amazing," Lila exclaimed, her heart filled with joy. Fluffly wagged his tail proudly. "Yep, we sure put on one sensational show." And as they basked in the glow of their success, Lila and her friends learned that with teamwork, creativity, and a sprinkle of stardust, anything is possible, even putting on a show that's out of this world.